everybody, it's Carole. Today I want to do a Mely D cloudy pour, and I hope everything turns out. You never know what you're gonna get. So I finally got the proper enamel stuff that she uses. The only problem is I couldn't get white. Every time I go to Michael's, the white is gone. So a lot of people must be doing the same thing. Or they just like white enamel. Anyway, so I got beige. We'll see what happens. Satin enamel. This one is called, doesn't really have a color, does it? No. It looks beige to me. There's no name on it. Oh, maybe up here. Neutral beige. There we go. All right. So I've done half and half. So half beige and half liquitex flow acrylic with a little bit of pouring medium and water. So I've got a fluid consistency. Trying to get it anyway. I want it so that it doesn't make a puddle, or it doesn't make a mound, I mean. Just keep adding water. And I've got all phthalo blue basics. Same thing as a squirt of liquitex pouring medium, and this doesn't make a mound. I've got Alyssa crimson and metallic red that I mixed together to get this pretty color. And I have an orange, which was Artist Loft. This was the last of it. Anyway, I think we're pretty much there. So I'm gonna lay down a base. Oh no, I'm gonna pour this in the cup first. So I'm going to pour in some blue. She split the blue in half. And then I think not sure what her order was, but oh, I was supposed to put the white there, or this there. Oh well. Let's put it on the other side. And then the red down. This is a 16 by 20, I believe. It should take about 8 ounces of paint, I think. Or 6. You know what? I'm going to pour all the red in. Then I'm going to pour the orange in. couldn't recall if she split the two colors in half or not. I know she did the blue. And then more blue. I think that's enough. I poured this up high to let some of it sink. And I think I probably have a lot of paint. Set this aside. I got my white. Just gonna add a tinge more water. Off on my trusty little rag. There we go. Oh, my phone rang. I guess I should go in airplane mode, but all right, here goes. Well, let's see what's going to happen here. I should do this with my left hand. Ah, I'm left-handed. Oh well. Okay, that's enough. Getting a tired arm. All right, let's see what's going on here. Just gonna go slow. Colors look awesome though. Plenty of paint, that's for sure. I think I need to stand up. I'll get this corner now. I'm losing a lot of my red. I like that red. I'm gonna go back this way. I don't want to lose that red and that blue. I love it. Whoa. Oh, this looks so awesome. It'd look a lot different if this was white, that's for sure, but it's a beige, so I get beige puffy clouds. Don't you just love it? I love it. This isn't really puffy clouds here, but here is. I think there's something stuck in my. No, it's just a bubble, I guess. Well, we'll just let this sit and see what happens. I think it's great. Yep. Okay, well, I think you can see it all. I'm gonna hold it up closer for you, and by the end of this it'll change, I'm sure. And I will put the dried results at the end of this video like I normally do. Hope you enjoyed this one. Check the description below and comment, and you'll see, if you look in the description, you'll see information about PayPal, donating to my channel if you feel like supporting me. My websites or my Facebook pages, my Instagram, and also we started a Facebook group with my sisters Diane and Susan Art by Susan King, and Dropping Paint by Diane, and myself. So check it out. There's a link in the description. Check it out and post some pictures of your art. I'd love to see them. And come back soon to my art room. Bye-bye. Okay, everyone, here's my dried results of my cloudy pour. But I used the satin enamel. I used beige, so it's not quite pure white, but I really like it. The blues and the pinks. Dried pretty smooth. Yep, really good. All right, there you go, dried results. All right, have a great day. Bye-bye.